My dearest one, when the world grows loud, remember the steady flame within you. It has never failed. Trust it. The path ahead doesn't need to be seen all at once. Just one step taken in faith is enough. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's the decision to move forward anyway. Your heart knows more than your mind can explain. Listen to that quiet understanding. It'll never lead you astray. Be gentle with yourself. You are becoming, and that is enough. And she gathered the courage to listen to her own heartbeat. And in that rhythm, she found her way. Go and be great, my loves. Like, share, repost. Much love.